Today we will discuss VI characteristics for reverse bias condition. As we know, the reverse bias condition is when the negative of the battery is connected to the positive of the diode and positive of the source is connected to the negative of the diode. To get the VI characteristics, we have to make this arrangement. This microammeter is connected in series with the diode and the voltmeter is connected parallel with the diode. This is the source and this is connected to the rheostat variable resistance to vary the voltage. In this case, very small current is obtained, so we have to use the microammeter. When PN junction diode is in reverse bias, the current flows due to the minority charge carriers and hence a microammeter is used to measure the small current. The reverse bias opposes the majority charge carriers and it makes the minority carriers to cross the PN junction. So very small current is obtained. Till the breakdown or Zener voltage, we get a very small amount of current flowing through the diode. But when the voltage reached to the value of breakdown voltage, then the current increases suddenly. In the reverse bias condition, we get the graph of V versus I, current versus voltage, in the third quadrant, and the reverse bias, the depletion layer becomes thick. Very thick depletion layer is obtained. Because of this, the PN junction offers a very high resistance. Very high resistance. So that the Ohm's law is not obeyed in forward and reverse bias condition. So the resistance offered the junction diode depends upon the applied voltage. It is only depends upon the applied voltage. Now in this case, the resistance which is getting normally with the Ohm's law, that is R is equal to V upon I. Now in this case we call it as a dynamic resistance. We call it as dynamic resistance and it is given by the formula R equals to delta V upon delta I. That is, it is the ratio of small change in the voltage to the small change in the current. It is also called as AC resistance. The overall characteristics of the PN junction diode can be drawn like this. For the forward bias, we get the VI characteristics in the first quadrant, and for the reverse bias, we get the characteristics in the third quadrant. We call this voltage as knee voltage and this voltage as a breakdown or Zener voltage.